Hello, I'm Selim and this is Swedish Job Pulse. So the idea behind this was there's a public API source that I could use to get current job ads from the Swedish Public Employment Service. So it doesn't provide all the jobs, but it gives a quite good overview that I could use. I created this services endpoint from Nebius to basically run my LLM on it. And this is basically how the UI looks like. So I will quickly show how it works. When the user enters their CV, we turn that CV into a text that the LLM and the models can basically process. And then the user selects where they want to work because this is important for the insight part. I will choose a small region like Jönköping, which doesn't have so many IT jobs. And my CV basically is an IT CV. I will click on Analyze CV and we will wait a bit to let it work on it. And basically when it gives the report, it mentions like, okay, you have to prioritize these kind of jobs based on my CV. It also like analyzes like, okay, you have to work on these parts to show them more. And it also says something important like Jönköping is like thin in terms of like these kind of jobs. So you can choose like Stockholm or like Västra Götaland, or you basically go remote. So it basically provides some insights regarding region. And then it shows like which roles are the like best ones. And it also like gives some comments on it. So this was about my CV, but let's just basically use another CV that's totally different. So it's like a warehouse worker now that we'll try to find a job. And then we will also like make it like they are looking in a small region. And as you can see, like again, it says like this is a like thin region, but this time like everything else is different. It's about like you can like get these licenses, you can basically strengthen your CV in these kind of stuff. So the idea was basically this, and we have like a QN 2.5 basically sitting in this endpoint that creates this report based on the data, based on the CV. So that was it. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.